Moving on to our next part of our course. This time, let's create gorilla. Yes. Large version of a monkey, gorilla. Okay, so first things first, just inflate a balloon. Approximate allowance would be 3 inches. Okay. So, first things first, just create a small bubble here, 1 inch bubble here, just like that, and another inch bubble here, and 2-inch bubble here for the head, another inch bubble here. Put it together as a loop like this, just like that. Now make an ear of a gorilla. Alright, just make a twist here, a teddy bear twist, just like this, just like that. One more twist on the other side, like that. So we have an ear for a gorilla. Alright, now just create a neck here and put this here and wrap it around, and after that lock it, tied up like this, just like that. See? And that's it. We have a gorilla head. And now we need to twist this area. Yes. Twist this. This would be the face of our gorilla. See? This is the face. Now, let's move on to our arms of our gorilla. So just create, let's just say here, 5 inches bubble. And now create, let's just say 1 to 4 1-inch bubbles, just like that. Sorry, not 4, 5, 2, just like that. Okay, so we have 5 bubbles here, and create another same length for the arm of our gorilla, just like that. I think that's enough. That would be fine for this. Yeah, there we have it. And now let's create 2 hands for our gorilla. So this time, let's create a loop here, only these 2 bubbles, like this. Just 2 bubbles. And after that, make a twist like this. Just like this. Okay. Now just do the same thing on the other side here. Make a loop using these 2 1-inch bubble. Okay, and twist it again, just like that, just like that. Okay, one more twist, And now here's the next part. We need to pop this middle. Okay, that's it. Using this. See? We are separated. Wow. That's magic, right? So let's make a little adjustment here for the arm of our gorilla. Gorilla. Okay. Little adjustment. And now for the last part, the body is the body, and for the last detail of the part of the gorilla is the legs. Just create 3 inches bubble here and another 3 inches, and the remaining would be our tail of our gorilla. That's it. Gorilla. See? Gorilla. Thank you so much. Gorilla. Little adjustment for this. That's it. Thank you so much.